Hi guys, welcome back to the PageFly video tutorial series. In this video, I will guide you how to use PayWhirl Recurring Subscription Element in the PageFly page. PayWhirl Subscription Element helps you show recurring sale options of your product and ultimately increase your conversion rate. Don't forget that we have 24/7 in-app live chat, so that you can reach out anytime you need help. Here is the PayWhirl Subscription dashboard. Firstly, click Plan tab. Here you can create recurring subscription plans for your products. Set up the selling plan group name here. For example, I will set a name New Subscription. I will create 2 selling subscription options, one for week and one for month. This full name will show on cart page and checkout page when you add corresponding option. With a weekly subscription, I will select a 5% discount for customers who buy this selling plan. It's 7% with the monthly subscription. Set corresponding plan selector label with each plan. Click Show Advanced Settings here. You can see the plan selector title option. This is displayed when customers view your selling plan group options on the product page. You can manually change it. Click Save to finish all settings. Next step, you need to associate subscription plans with your Shopify products. Simply click Add Product button. Find the product you want to add. And click Add. If you only want the subscription options to apply to specific variants of a product, you can add them from the Variant Details page in Shopify. Finally, you need to integrate PayWhirl with your existing theme. Switch to the Theme Snippets tab. And you need to install all required snippets. With the last link, click here to copy it. Click here to open the liquid file in theme code. And paste the code. Now go ahead to PageFly page. Here we are in a product page editor. You can file the PayWhirl element at the left-hand side toolbar. Add it inside the product details. Remember that this element only works inside Product Details element. And you also need to have Product Variant element as well. Go ahead and publish the page. And open it on Live View. And now your customer can buy your product with various selling options. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.